Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw an Among Us Easter crewmate. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with our Among Us Easter Bunny, we want to begin in just about the middle of our paper, and we're going to make the little face shield. So to do this, you want to make a line that's going to curve out, and then it's going to come down. So I'm going to start right about here. We're going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's just going to curve right around here. Now I want to connect these two lines, and you want it to be curved a little bit. So I'm going to make this line go a little bit longer, and then I'm just going to round this off. Instead of going straight down, I'm just going to make it kind of rounded. Now starting right about here on the face shield, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to go over to about here. Now starting here, we're going to just kind of jump right over the front of this, and we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve in just a tiny bit. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go over, and then we're going to come up like this. Now right about here, we're going to make a line that comes across. So we're just going to make a little curved line like this. Next, we're going to draw down. I'm going to come over, and then I just want to connect these two lines. So we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down to connect these two lines right here. Next, I want to make the pack of our Among Us character. Now I'm going to start the pack right about at the middle point of the face shield, and we're just going to make a little line that's going to come out. And instead of going down and then in, I'm going to make this just kind of curve right to here. So I'm going to draw this down, and I want it to get a little bit skinnier and skinnier as it comes down, because I want this to kind of look like a carrot. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down. I'll make another one that goes up and down, and one more that's going to go up and down like this. Then starting here, we're just going to make a couple little curved lines right across here for the carrot. Now right up here, we want to make the ear for our little Among Us Easter Bunny. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then I'm going to bring it back down to here. Then on the inside, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and we're going to go down, just kind of making that same shape inside of here, just a little bit smaller. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up a little bit higher than halfway. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to make another line that's going to go down. And then I'm going to bring this right to about here. Then starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down. And right in here, we're going to make a line that comes down, and then another line that comes down. And then the last thing I want to do is make a little tiny Easter egg over here. So to do this, I'm going to start here. I'm just going to make a little line that's going to come down, and it's going to come right back here. Then I'm just going to make a couple little wavy lines right on here, just for some detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Easter Bunny Among Us character skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.